Go bright and take flight with Legends Evolved Dragon and Viking toys. You've never seen dragons like this before. Now buckle up for some legendary adventures. Hear ye, hear ye. This meeting of the hooligans of Burke will now come to order. Will everybody please find their place? I hereby announce that this weekend is officially Dragon Day.
What's Dragon's Day?
It's a way to celebrate our dragon friends. As such, we will have a big parade.
Will there be roast beef?
No, but there will be plenty of fish for the dragons.
A parade isn't a parade without sky candy, am I right?
What's sky candy?
I think he means fireworks?
Yeah, whatever. The stuff that goes boom in the sky is awesome to look at.
A fitting tribute to our friends who rule the sky with fire.
And may I suggest we make it a surprise? 9 out of 10 dragon species love surprises.
Then it's settled. Dragon Day is coming to Burke. Make your arrangements, but don't let any of the dragons know.
Hooray! Woohoo!
Remember, this is a secret surprise for the dragons.
I couldn't imagine a more appropriate way to cap off summer than a party honoring our dragon friends. The dragons are going to love putting on their colorful armor in our Legends Evolved booth.
They're gonna flip their lids Saturday when we surprise them. And that makes it official. Dragon Day has begun. Let the festivities begin.
Start the music. That'll get the dragons' attention.
Hooray!
It's Toothless and Light Fury. Come down and celebrate. We wanted you to know how much your friendship means to all of us.
I knew Stormfly would come right away. She always investigates good music.
Welcome to Dragon Day Parade. This is our way of saying thank you to all dragons.
Meatlug won't be long. Not with all that delicious barbecue grilling. And Barf and Belch shouldn't be far off. I see Hook Fang now.
That's all of them. Right on schedule.
Come one, come all, celebrate Dragon Day.
We knew you'd love this.
Back to the Great Hall. Let's eat.
I hope you all get your fill of barbecued fish. We sent out a week's worth of fishing excursions to make this haul.
Fish. I'll take this one. It looks like Meatlug ate so much, he's going to need the next size up of his colorful Legends Evolved body armor. Sky candy, let's get to the sky candy.
He means fireworks.
What a better way to honor our friends who light up the sky with beautiful fire than a fire of our own. Blah, 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 Hiccup, bring on the boom! Toothless, will you do the honors?
Hold on to your helmets, guys.
Ooh.
You're not thinking. Really? That's the best idea I've heard all day.
This is going to be so awesome.
Who would have ever thought that this fireworks display could get even better?
It's true, dragons make everything better. But what's with all the fish? Yuck.
Some Vikings will never be happy. The adventure never ends with Legends Evolved Dragon and Vikings toys. Just wait till you see what fun they have next time.